Hey Coaster Crew fans, checking in from the Magic Kingdom, from the world's most magical celebration. Got to give you guys a Tron construction update today. It's been a while, so lots of progress over there. So we'll head over there and check it out. We actually just saw some Guardians of the Galaxy trains passing over at the TTC. Posted some pictures of those. Probably will include them in this blog. So we'll head on over to Tron and see what's going on. We've made our way over to the Barnstorm. We're gonna check it out. Looks like they've kind of planted some stuff, but we'll see what we can see. Also, one of our fans, Austin from Amusement Insider, he wanted to know what the best bubbler was in the park. It's right over here, so if you're looking for a nice, delicious Florida thirst quenching, right here at the bubbler. Well guys, it has been quite a while since I've done an update here, and they've totally obstructed my views that I could give you before because they planted all these shrubs. So I'm gonna do my best, but we're gonna get through it. We're gonna peek through and see what we can see over here. Lots of stuff going on. I can't wait to show you. We're gonna go ahead and make our way here on the Liberty Bell, but while we're waiting, we got another bubbler here for Austin over at Amusement Insider.
The bubbler.
The bubbler. Okay, let's run it for you. Whoa! It's the gold standard at Disney. Number 2. All right, guys, well, that wraps up another Tron construction update from the Magic Kingdom. For future videos, be sure to subscribe to our page, hit that bell for future notifications for future videos, and of course, like us on all of our social media at Coaster Crew for Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys real soon. There's Hunter trying one of the Magic Kingdom bubblers just for you, Austin.
It's a little weak.
How many bubbles do you give it? 1 out of 10.
2.
2 bubbles.
Cold, weak stream.
2 bubblers. Get 2 bubbles. That's too bad.